On June 18, 2016, a 49-year-old driver crashed into another vehicle after running a stop sign near Moxie, Washington. When the other driver tried to exchange information, the suspect became aggressive, threatened the victim with a metal object, and fled as police arrived on the scene, starting a high-speed pursuit.
Westbound. Command. From Los Angeles.
The suspect accelerated to speeds approaching 100 miles per hour, refusing to stop while recklessly fleeing through the area. Officers stayed close behind as the chase continued, waiting for the pursuit to come to an end before anyone else was injured.
Right on the first 90-degree corner.
721 received a 934. It was crashed out first corner on Thorpe from Command.
721, 6787, Zebra Mary.
The pursuit ended when the suspect lost control, flipped his car, and crashed into a fence. He was taken into custody and later faced charges including assault, hit and run, attempting to elude police, and driving with a suspended license. On July 8, 2023, Trooper William Cash responded to assist Conway Police Department with a pursuit involving a gray Ford Mustang. The driver refused to stop for officers and fled onto Interstate 40, reaching speeds well over 100 miles per hour as the chase intensified.
Officer Bacon, 63 to net for Adam 68.
He just threw out narcotics right before the 127. Excuse me, 125. That's the 125 now.
That's the 125, Hector.
That's the 125 threw out narcotics.
Copy that.
So he's on foot. He's bailing. He's running over to the east side. Yeah.
Copy. Bailing to the east side.
So he's giving up.
10-4, you advise he did give up.
The pursuit ended after Trooper Cash successfully performed a pit, sending the Mustang into the center cable barrier. The driver immediately bailed out and fled on foot, but officers quickly caught and arrested him. On April 2, 2025, police in Kenosha County, Wisconsin received a 911 call reporting an armed carjacking involving a stolen blue Honda Pilot. Minutes later, officers located the SUV, but when they attempted to stop it, the teenage suspects refused to pull over and instead accelerated away, starting a high-speed pursuit. The pursuit finally ended when the stolen SUV crashed head-on into a utility pole near the Illinois border. Both suspects attempted to flee on foot but were quickly captured and taken into custody. On June 3, 2023, a Georgia State Patrol trooper clocked a gray Dodge Challenger traveling 88 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. When the trooper activated his emergency lights to initiate a traffic stop, the driver immediately accelerated away, triggering a high-speed pursuit.
Coming out to Alright, all clear. Stop there, stop there. Alright, he's going under, coming up to Truman. Clear, clear. Just don't know.
As the pursuit continued, the driver repeatedly brake-checked the patrol car while forcing other motorists into dangerous situations, leaving the troopers searching for the first safe opportunity to end the chase.
Clear, clear, he's stopping. Alright, gonna be going south on Truman. Stop, don't stop. Alright, blacked out again. Pit, breaking pit. I think we're on Duran. Stand by.
The pursuit ended after the trooper successfully performed a pit maneuver, sending the Challenger into the concrete median where it came to a stop. The driver was arrested without further incident and later admitted he fled because he did not want to receive another speeding ticket.